Redeem the best code on BYBIT New user exclusive up to $30,050 plus in welcome rewards on BYBIT. Grab a $50 sign-up bonus, earn up to $30,000 in deposit bonuses, VIP status upgrades, and more. To activate the code, go to the website, click on the Sign Up button, fill in all the required information, and enter the code 4BIT in the referral code field. That's all. The referral code is activated. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. If you do not understand something or you want to ask questions, you can contact the support service, which works 24/7. Join me on BYBIT now. Come unlock up to $30,050 in exclusive rewards and be invited to exclusive events. Never miss a beat with BYBIT.